here we have a little no name. Let's see how she does. Lesson 3, don't drop your picks. I am really enjoying the having so many to go through for the simple reason, as I said, I don't know these locks. And as you are obviously able to see, it makes it more difficult when you pick up a lock and you basically have to re-explore it for the first time, because you might know it's easy or not, but you don't know how it's picked, how this particular lock's tumblers like to be tickled, as it were. There we go. Also, always make sure you relock your lock